Hey guys, so today I already have my base, my brows, my bronzer on. This is really about the eyes. And again, I'm playing with the Karity Matte Palette, which I've just been in love with. I think a part of the reason I really like it is because I pretty much live in black. Like I just always am wearing like black. So I just think that you can go so wild, personally. I feel like you can go so wild with your eyes if you do that. So I think I'm going to play today in the Karity Matte Palette with the yellows and oranges. I feel like that's a color combo I haven't done a lot with. Certainly not yellow, and this yellow is no joke. Like, that's yellow. So I'm going to start off in Sinful, which is, to me, a nice neutral matte gray. A lot of time in this palette, that's what I use as my transition shade, just because it's so chill. Again, I just feel like transition shades just kind of ground a look. You know, if you want it to be really shocking and wild, then you don't need a transition shade, or you don't need a neutral transition shade. Let's do it. We're going to go into Tweedy. I'm a little scared. Okay, let's do this. And I'm going to put it on the lid. Wow. That is no joke. And I like the combo of the gray with the yellow. I think that's pretty. Okay. I think I want to go with Cancun, which is kind of a peachy orange. Now I feel like to tie it together, I want to put a little bit of this, yeah, on like that outer portion. Okay, good plan. I like it. Oh, I like it. Ooh. And I don't want to mess with it. I'm trying to find a light highlight shade, because this is all matte, but I can still do, I mean, I should stick with the same, I shouldn't be one of those people that's like pulling out 7 different like palettes. Okay, so I'm going to go into a Morphe E18, and I'm going to go into the matte white, which is called Caress, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Let's do eyeliner. I'm going to go into NYX in the color Jet Black. I keep looking for this to be like a dramatic name, and it's not. It's just called Jet Black. I need to stop thinking that it's going to be a different, more dramatic name. Okay. Oh, and I like that it looks peachy pink on the bottom, but when it mixed with Tweedy, it looks orange on the top. So it does look like there's a lot more colors at play. Okay, so lining that upper lash line. Extending it out a bit on the outer edge, but again, not a wing, because that's just not my style. All right, and I think, if you can hear Elizabeth, I'm sorry. I think for the lower lash line, I did have a gray eyeliner, but I don't know where it is. So I'm going to go back into Sinful in the palette and put that a little bit on the outer edge. Okay, I need to go into my purse to get my eyelash curler and eyelash curler. keep it cool toned, I'm going to use Gone Greige as my lip liner, which is my favorite. I'm going to try NYX Embellishment. And I'm going to use a lip pencil. And my husband's going to insert our daughter into the video. Okay, I think this is one of the MSQ
So you
makeup
just hear me
brushes.
talking?
Yep.
Great.
So this is our finished look. And I will take some pics in regular lighting because I just think I feel like with this lighting it kind of dulls everything, but when I take pics with my phone in this lighting even, it just looks so much more vivid. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much.